Good evening, Dr. Hopkins. My name is Tyler Leigh, and this is my response video for topic 8, Unity in Diversity. Throughout my life, I have always been adamant about acceptance, understanding, and tolerance of others, particularly when it comes to race, ethnicity, and things of the sort. I can't say that I am part of a minority group here in my community, but I do believe that these positive traits of respect and acceptance of others has done wonders for my multicultural interactions throughout my life. These have also certainly affected my responses in the toolkit for the assignment, as many of my Padlet topics focus on creating this welcoming and supportive environment for all demographic of students. Self-reflection and reassessment are big factors in improving as an educator, and they will certainly come into play with responding to the needs of a diverse learning community. I need to be able to adapt and change, especially when I fall short on representing one of my students' cultural backgrounds. In topic two, I discussed the virtues that I believe are my strongest, being cooperation, generosity, and a willingness to help others, determination, and intellectual humility and open mindedness. These virtues have certainly affected my decision making process and the prioritization of specific educational strategies. They've helped me to highlight strategies that push for cooperative projects, to be a model of empathetic, helpful, and determined behavior for my students, to display a never ending dedication to them, and to always be willing to understand and learn from their different viewpoints or opinions that are greatly different from my own. Throughout this course, I have learned so many valuable things about how to make my future history classroom a welcoming and supportive environment for all types of students. Though I do believe my current role as an elementary special education paraprofessional has prepared me even more. The students I work with are consistently living with the possibility of discrimination and hate, and I have unfortunately seen it far too many times. These diverse classrooms are certainly designed to allow those from different racial groups and cultures to thrive, but they can also assist those with disabilities who struggle to keep up with the rest. This toolkit assignment and this specific course were great opportunities for me to learn about different ways I can outline my future history classroom that will make every single student that walks into my door feel welcomed, loved, and like they belong. Moving forward into my educational career, I do feel more confident in my practices and how I design my lessons and my lesson plans. I feel more prepared than ever to craft these collaborative projects that I've been mentioning and can't wait to integrate some of the many things I have learned into my teachings for the future. Um, since this is our last week of class, I did want to take the time to say thank you for leading a great course and even more so for working with me when some certain events have caused my time to be limited here in class. You have been an amazing educator and a great role model for me in the realm of secondary history education. Thank you for watching and for your time, and I wish you the best with everything you have in the future. Have a great day.